Today we started cutting bricks, which will be used for the structure of the coral kiln, K-I-L-N. Kiln is basically an oven that we're going to use to make clay hard. So with our 3D coral printer, basically we put clay into the feed area, and then that is fed into an extractor head, and that produces the design that we program the printer to make. And then we let it sit for some time before putting it into an oven or this kiln, and then that makes it really hard, just like making a plate or a brick.
Hey everyone, Connor back with another update, part 2 of our video. We have Craig over here is cutting up the bricks. So let's give you a better look at what this operation is looking like. Amazing. So that's just a little bit of our brick cutting process. We have a lot of them already finished, a lot more to go. And then next step, oh, there we go. And the next step will be taking a lot of the steel and starting to assemble and build out the rest of the kiln.